Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the car safe and getting data. Park on level ground, key out, wait 5 minutes so modules reset. Connect an OBD2 or ABS-capable scanner and read the exact fault codes, write them down. Once you have codes, do a quick visual check. Look at wheel speed sensors, wiring harnesses, and tone rings for corrosion, rubbing, or missing teeth. This first step narrows the fault to sensor, wiring, or module and gets you ready for targeted repairs. Now you perform focused electrical checks to confirm the problem. Backprobe the sensor connector and verify power and ground are present, then measure the signal while spinning the wheel. Note amplitude and waveform against the spec. If signal drops when flexing the harness, you've likely found a wiring break. Clean corroded connectors with contact cleaner and secure pins, or replace the sensor if output is out of range. Once you've fixed wiring or swapped a bad sensor, clear codes and road test to verify repair. Finish by clearing stored codes and performing any required module relearn or break-bleed procedure the manufacturer specifies. Many systems need a calibration drive or ABS pump activation. After clearing, drive at varied speeds and perform firm stops and a controlled low traction turn to confirm the ABS and traction lights remain off. If the light reappears, read new codes immediately and inspect related systems like wheel bearings or the ABS module itself. If problems persist, consult a shop with OEM diagnostic tools for module-level faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.